Hi, it's Mike Mackey. We're here at Acorn Gas Spares in Leeds, and they have a Sime on display. Don't know how you say it. It looks like Murelle, Sime Murelle. It looks like it's got at the top of the boiler. At the top of the boiler, it looks like it may have a drain to stop it from raining in. It goes down to the condensate. Backs here have that as well. Stainless steel cement heat exchanger. And it looks like it's got a brass block, so John Wilson will love this boiler as well. ERP pump. Gas valve is in the middle. PRV's here. Expansion vessel on the side, although it does have a flexi on. And the connections are underneath, similar to how a Wiesmann would screw onto the bottom. What we want to know is where are the Sime reps. Schrader valve on the top, accessible through there, look. So me and Alan said, initially, it looks similar to a Baxi 600. Yeah, as you can see, it's very narrow, covered fit boiler. Don't know what sizes they come in.